Hi guys, I wanted to give you a close-up from my new gear, and yeah, let's start with the Fisher Space Pen, and it's a brass one, and if you see the inside, it's a lot more shiny, but I think it also that will tarnish some bit in the future. But it's the outside is like a old penny, and the inside is still like a new penny. But yeah, that builds character, and very cool little pen, very handy. And my new card holder, instead of my billfold, it's by the company Secret. And hold on, let me show you guys. Secret. It's a Dutch company. And it makes all kinds of card holders with leather outsides, and but this is yeah, aluminum and plastic, of course. But yeah, I've been carrying this for the last couple of days, and because I just got it this week, and yeah, I think it's a keeper, because it's very comfortable. And yeah, I never thought I would say that, because yeah, I was convinced the only thing I would like was a leather billfold. But yeah, for so far it's holding up very well. But I'll keep you updated on that. The Uncle Bill's Sliver Gripper, and I think many of you already know that brand. And I hope it's still focused. Yeah, Uncle Bill's Sliver Gripper. And it's an awesome piece for on your keys. And yeah, if you have to pick something very small, or just yeah, very cool. So yeah, that's definitely staying on my keychain. Yeah, I have ordered some other EDC stuff. A leather belt. My old belt is yeah, nearing its end, and I ordered a new belt. But yeah, I'll make a video on that as well as soon as I get it. It's still being made, so yeah, it's gonna be a surprise. My knives, and guys, like I said, if you can get one, but it's limited, so get one, because very nice knife. And I'm sorry, it's oh, it's a bit dirty. It gets used. Let me clean it off a bit. Anyway, no, yeah, still a bit dirty, but yeah, anyway, awesome knife. It's very good. So very light. You won't believe how light it is. It's full carbon and titanium. So yeah, awesome. So I wanted to share this with you guys, and I hope you have a wonderful Sunday. And I hope to be back soon. I believe the first part of the video is not that a great audio, but anyway, it will have to do. I'll try to change it up the next time. So thank you for that, and peace, and rock on, guys. Thank you. Bye.